Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I will show you how you can download JDK 26 and install on Windows 10 and 11. So search download JDK and you will get the first link of Oracle website. Right click and here we have the options to download JDK. So currently JDK 26 is available. Select the Windows and click on the installer. I am going to download the MSI installer. So click here. Download is started. Now click on the exe file. Installer is preparing. Click next and this is the URL. This is the Java installation directory. Copy it and go next. Click next. Now the installer is installing. It is copying the files. The installation is completed. Next, select the edit environment variables and go to the environment variables and search for Java home. So it is currently 25. I'm going to change it for 26. Okay, and then search for path edit. So it is JDK 25 pin. I will change it to JDK 26 bin. Then click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Now open the terminal and here type Java hyphen version and it should display Java 26. So it is Java 26. So we have successfully installed Java 26 on Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.